This came in the mail today. There's a shakuhachi maker and repairer and hitoyogiri maker in Japan named Nick Bellando or something. I'll put it on the screen. And I purchased a shakuhachi book from him in the past, and I was perusing his website and saw a shakuhachi that had been restored, that he was selling, that he restored, and I liked it pretty well. And it's longer than the standard. It's a 2.0 length. The last time I got a shakuhachi sent to me from Japan, it had this same kind of weird, kind of beige colored tape. This like duct tape kind of, but very weird color. Oops. So here's the top half. I'm going to pull them both out before I take this out of the plastic. This is the package that the other shakuhachi I got came in. It has that same weird tape. Here's the root. I like it. This is a jiari. So it has kind of a G plaster and a plaster inside. You can see it's all smooth and shiny. It's kind of oily or something. It has a cap. I didn't expect that. So here's one thing that he repaired. This little chipped part. It has this funny 2.0 inscribed on the back. And then here's the maker. I kind of like this rattan binding there. Fits together nicely. Here's a 1.8 that I have for comparison with a homemade cap. Has a Hon-On style inlay, Taguchi inlay. I did most of these bindings.